Hello all, I'm Shweta from Maharashtra Institute of Technology, Mysore Computer Science Department. Today I am here to present an internship presentation on the Android application development testing and bug tracking under the guidance of Professor Yashashwini ma'am and external guide is Srinivas RC. In this presentation, we look why internship is very important, how actually it plays a major role in the last semester, and how using an internship you can acquire a job. All these are explained in this presentation. Now let us look the contents, what we all covered about the company and the work are assigned, how we have gained the knowledge using this internship, and what finally I'm going to conclude. In these contents, we have done with some designs, deployment and testing and development and conceptualization and feasibility assessment. Those all we learned in this internship. I'm going to explain one after the other. Now let us look about the company. Yaami Technologies Private Limited. Yaami Technology is one of the company. It's present in India. This company has been registered in the date 16th March 2020 on the Ministry of Corporate Affairs MCA. Then it has been classified on non-government company and it is registered under the Register of Companies Karnataka, India. The CEO of this company is Srinivas RC. For the more details, you can contact with this email and the website is www.yami.com. If you visit there, we are going to get some information. Yami Technology has launched a social media application called Yami, which is available on Play Stores, where users can share photos, videos, and daily life moments to their friends and followers. If you want to say something to your friends in a privacy mode, this applications also helps an major role. The work assigned in this company is I'm done with some beta testing. Like beta testing is one of the acceptance testing types which adds value to the product as the end user. Intended real user validates the product for functionality, usability, reliability, and compatibility. It is very easy to use without the help of an external persons. Also, we're able to use this app. The bug tracking. Bug tracking is a process used by quality assurance personnel and programmers to keep track of software and resolutions. A bug tracking system is normally put in place to store information about reported bugs, where we're going to use the in this internship I'm done like bugs reporting, like using the app, seeing if you like the image once, it shows you like the image. Again, if I like on the image, it is again showing that you liked the image. So the anonymous multiple times the message is coming. Hence, we have done with the bug tracking and reported in the Excel. The actual work I am done in AMI technology is I have worked on developing the camera features for the application, deploying the camera feature, selecting the image from the gallery and compressing the image and uploading to the cloud using FFmpeg library for image compression. Continuously we have done like uploading the image and checking whether the getting some errors like bugs. Mainly we have worked on bugs tracking in this internship. While doing this, we learned some of the bugs which may occur, how we have to handle and how we have to compensate. Next, some of the problems or challenges we have faced in this application. Like I faced lot of application during compression of the images, like the image size be more, but the application fails to take. In this scenario, how we have to handle and what are the scenarios and what are the multiple uh, compensation we can use. Sometimes the quality of compressed image was low. Explored lot of techniques to improve quality of images even after compression. If the image quality is more, in order to reduce that image quality, we have to compress the image. If we compress the image, the quality of image is very low. So how this quality of images can be improved to high. What are the techniques we can use in order to improve the quality of images? We have learned, like, we have put some of the screenshots. It shows that like the application first image is it is showing that the application icon is what this, and we have uploaded some of the images, like we are getting this. But while uploading the images also we can write something messages even, like if you want to tell something to anyone, if you want to tell something to someone, in that scenario you can't tell them directly, right? In that case what we have done, you can tag them and you can post a image to them, or in some quotation what you have to say to them. If it is posted to them only, then the heart blinks on the images. Then they will get to know someone is tagged this image to me, or someone is trying to tell something to me, someone is tagged. The message will reach them, but they do not get who has tagged these images. So, like that, if you want to say something to someone, you can't tell in direct mode. In that scenario, this applications uses, like uploading the images, liking the images is done, like sharing the images and commenting on the image. I will comment in the images. If I comment in some time, if I try to see that after some time the comments were not appearing, or else the previous comments were erased, and the comment which I post now will be appearing. In that scenario we have reported these bugs, and we improved this application towards some extent level only. The benefits of this internship are learning new and practical skills. I have learned some of the practical skills, how to upload and how to enhance that image, like tracking the bugs and reporting the bugs with an id in an excel. Like, I have learned how to develop and test Android application. Testing an application is very an important role after developing. So testing by face, daily we were tracking about 20 to 30 bucks a daily we are reporting. Have learned how to work as a team player. In team player, we were working in a team. I have learned some of the scenarios how actually team player is one of the most important things every students must have in order to work in a company. So in this internship I learned how we have to play a team player. I have learned how to work under pressure situation. Like, there may be a pressure in this internship, like we have to report a bugs. Without reporting a bugs, they were not encouraging anyone. We have to report the bugs, and if we report more and more bugs, we will get some of the quality and idea. In this, they will tell we have to report 20 or 30 bugs a daily, and this situation we have to do it. Gaining valuable work experience. In this internship I work along, I think 3 to 4 months we have done this internship, like reporting a bugs and all. Work experience I we got, creating professional network. Like, working in this company we got like external guide, maybe Srinivas RC. Under them some were there. We got some professional network connectivity, and we have connected through, with them through LinkedIn also. Conclusion, what I may say is, the internship has been a very important and helpful addition, as it helps with getting accustomed to the professional working environment and performance standards for the real world. How we have to work professionally when we enter into a company, how we have to behave, how we have to team play. Those all things I have learned. It has also been a great progressive force to meet experts. Like experts I have met with Srinivas sir, and under them so many colleagues are working. We have meet them, how we have to meet an experts, how professionally actually we have to talk with them, and a professional actually working in the field in terms of motivation to want to improve skills and mindset. How we have to improve that motivations, all given by external guide. It indirectly helps me to learn independently. Like, in this scenario, in this project I learned independently working is also a most important strategy. In order to learn, while testing something I got some error. Those error names were all not familiar to me. I googled and searched for them. I learned in that way. So independent work is also an very important. Take initiative. How we have to take initiative, how I have to move one step forward and increase the ability to solve problems. If I getting some errors, how to solve these problems, how we have to come and enhance this problem. Those all skills I learned. These are very important in an company. When we enter into a company, how we have to work independently also, we have to work teamwork also. How teamwork plays an important role in the same situation, in the same equal parts, independent works also takes place. Learning some things and training something is a important. And I also took initiative in this project, and in these internships we have completed successfully. Certificate of completion, I got certificate for this completion of internship also. It also says that Shweta K, this bearing this CUSN, I successfully completed the internship by the founder of CEO. This certificate has been issued to me. Finally, I thank you